actually done. But before I do that, I've got this toy here, okay, just to get us started. I've got a small radio. Okay. And that's just, a very small radio. And this keeps getting in the way. I've got a light source, okay, which is, it could be like that one. So that's just my light source. And I've got a very small receiver circuit here. In here, I've got a tiny photodiode. You know what I'm trying to do, right? Exactly. So I'm just going to do it. So it should be okay. So what I'm trying to do is, if I put this one on, put this one back on, okay? So that's the end of my talk. So the light is still there. We can hear the sound. If I turn it away, it goes away. You understand? If I increase the volume, it goes up. I reduce it. It's better, right? But if I increase the volume here, you can see it becomes a little bit distorted. That's what we're going to talk about. Why? How do I get the sound from here onto this light? Right? I'm not going to talk about this receiver because that has been covered. But how do I get the sound from here onto this light? Okay? How that is done? Bear with me for 30 minutes. We shall see. Okay? Good. So, to get us started.